What's up? It's Brett Banasiewicz, and this is my bike setup. DK Team Frame 27.5, DK Super 8 bars, and DK Alpha forks. I do like to switch it up from time to time, and I usually run ODI long neck grips, but now I'm running the ODI-O grips. As for the bar setup, I always run my bars a little bit far forward. I think it makes all the tricks easier. And I flip my stem. Everybody's like, oh, you're so stupid for flipping your stem. It just makes your whole setup crazy. But I don't care what you guys say. It's my bike. I do what I want. For gyro, stolen satellite. I just like the way it turns. Everything, it's good. Doesn't have any flop when you pull the brakes. As for the brakes, we got Odyssey trigger lever with dual cables, dual into this one-piece thing. I don't really like it, but you know, gets the brakes going. Good colony brake setup in the back with some proper brake pads. Front wheel is a Maxxis Grifter, the biggest size tire the Maxxis makes, with 36-hole tie spokes, silver on a Elite front hub. I ride a 170 crank in the front to catch my whips, and 165 in the back. As for pedals, I'm running the Premium Slim for the first time. They got 2, 4, 6, 8 pins. And the pedals I used to run didn't have the 2 pins on the inside, which I really find benefits me. DK sprocket, DK chain. I got the Total BMX. I forget what seat it's called, but this is the one with the flag on it. I ride between 110 and 115 tire pressure. Moving on to the back rim, it's a Profile Elite back hub. And I wanted to try the back hub because of the crazy noise I heard on everybody else's bike, and I kind of like it. That's sick.